Hey YouTube friends, welcome back to Paws for Orchids. My name is Luisa and I love orchids. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for your support. If you're new to my channel, I'm glad you've joined us. Today, let's take a look at the events of my birthday weekend.
Hi guys, it's my birthday weekend and I'm going shopping. I'm going to one of my favorite places. They are having a sale, so I'm excited and I'm taking you along with me. Let's go. All right, we are on our way. I am headed down to Apopka and I'm excited to see what I can find today for my birthday. It's been a great birthday weekend so far. My son took me and my husband and his girlfriend all out for dinner to celebrate last night. So it started off great on a Friday night. So let's see if that trend continues through Saturday and Sunday. I'm very excited. And then later on, I'll show you what my son got me for my birthday. It was really pretty. So you'll see. All right, you guys, we have arrived at one of my favorite places. So let's go see what we have. Let's go see what they have going on today. All right, when you walk in, Josh is loyal. He's here every time and always has his pretty pots ready to go. I like this. This is pretty. Look at that. What a soft little pink. That's a different combination. What a soft little pink. I like that combination. Don't know what this is, but I think one of them is coming home with me. The tiniest little flowers. Check out this display. Definitely very Christmassy. And another beautiful display. Cocky Moss is here. Hi. How are you doing?
I'm fine, and you?
Good. Some of the plants I bought from you last time have grown so big.
Oh, that is nice. Yeah, all right.
I can definitely tell you that they were healthy.
This is the good news.
Yes.
Bye.
How are you? Good. Some 3D printing, and this is Orchid Pot Studio. Say hi.
Hi, I'm a pot lady.
What are you showing me there?
Little gnomes.
Oh, how cute.
Thank you.
That is adorable. You are so creative. Oh, cutesy little things here. Oh, and you got a little Buddha too. Hi. How are you?
Very well, yourself.
I can't complain.
Welcome to Lady Vanda Orchids.
Pretty orchids always make me happy, so it's all good.
That's fantastic. Thank you for joining us for this weekend.
And more pretty things. I think this is Shrillia. Yep, Schilleriana, and I'm not even sure how to pronounce that properly. Oh wow, look at this. That path is huge. This is impressive. The size of this flower. This is a path, you guys. Alright, you guys, let's go inside and see what's going on inside. Got a few vendors out here, but I think most of the stuff is happening in here. We even have a spot to take a picture for the holidays. And I know I'm going to have to take something home. I just haven't decided what yet. The flower is so big. It's really cool. I just came across a really nice viewer that gave me some ideas too for some of my other plants. So thank you for watching. There's a lot to choose from, you guys. You have a chance. This is still going on tomorrow. Like I said, it's a sale, so there are really good prices happening right now. And Josh from the Orchid Den is here, along with Cookie Moss and Stephanie with her 3D printed pots. Look at this, how funny. It looks like it's got whiskers. That is hysterical. A cat with whiskers. Imagine that. Dendrobiums are definitely a weakness for me. Look at how big this flower is. It covers almost all 4 of my fingers, and this is a dendrobium. Holy moly. I have this, and mine is in bloom too. And she smells so good. And my lava burst is coming into bloom at home as well. Which I got from Josh. Which I got from Josh. Oh my goodness. I don't know how she does this. They're huge. I want to be able to do that. Make them all big like this. This is nuts. They're so big.
So let's take a look at what I got. A beautiful Phalaenopsis orchid arrangement, a Venia planters white planter, some cut orchid flowers, a white and blush pink dendrobium, a Leparis grossa from the Orchid Den. And that is it for my birthday weekend. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe so you know when I post something new. In the meantime, let's grow together and don't be a stranger.